Hello you all, it's Maaike and I'm going to share you some crafts made with the new upcoming Scrapdiva Designs release, available January 9. So within a few days. And yeah, you probably can tell it's all about Valentine, and besides Halloween it's my favorite thing to craft. So I'm starting off with showing you this card. On my Instagram I've made a reel showing you how to make it into a shaker, so you can look me up to find it. But take a look at this card. Oh, I just love it. And I will tell you what I've used from the new release. This pink background, it's this gorgeous die, really loving it. And it's a confetti plate. And yeah, you can see I've turned it into a shaker. I've added some really thin foam and that's it. And shakers, of course. Then we've got those really fun cherries. It's a disco ball cherry die. And I also made this one with it. Yeah, you can use it however you want, of course. It has leaves, those beautiful bows. It's such a gorgeous die, and of course, like silver holographic or glitter paper, it's going to be awesome. But you can see I've used this one. Then we've got a really fun sentiment. Those are the sentiments for 2026 Valentine. But look at it, they've got something at the back. See, do you see those hearts, hugs and kisses? And also I will show you these. They're having the same Valentine gang. Looks so fun. And also this one, the love you. So yeah, that's really something new and I really like it. And also, do you see these lips? They also come with a sentiment. Ooh, it's missing. I'll get it one step. Here it is. Look, hello love. And then we've got those lips. Oh, I just love it. It's so cute. So yeah, then we got, last but not least, the I love you stamp. And this is a whole plate with stamps. And oh, this is going to be, you will love it. I will show you how it looks like. Look, let me show you. This is the big stamp set. This is just one big stamp. And it comes with this piece, so you can stamp this piece, then you can die cut it just in one take. And let me show you how it looks like. I will show you some, but it also says happy anniversary, sorry, love you more, puppy love, wedding day, sweetheart, and soulmate. So yeah, it's really different. Oh, how do you say it? It's not just like one thing, but it's really different. I love you, love's in the air, forever, kiss me, love story, well, etc. But this, I love it. I think it's so much fun. And I use the sentiment I love you from this one. And also this one is from the gnome add-on. It's from last year, so you already can buy it. And inside, you hold the key to my heart. It's from the stamp set from last year. But I want to reuse it all, so because it's just 1 month in a year you're using it. So I'm going to reuse it. But yeah, I really love this one. And let me show you the sentiments. We've got hugs and kisses and love you. If you have, so I already have shown you. We've got a Valentine gang and a hello lover. But we also got babe, and I love this one. We've got heartbreaker, vibes, love, and do you see the heart-shaped O details? We've got a Valentine one, of course we need them, a crush, and this one, a sugar. So yeah, this is beautiful. I love how the sentiments are looking. And then also, and those are all from last year's, but I was prepping it so I can use it, as I said earlier. And let me show you what I've made. And these are all from last year. So we've got Valentine Words 2025. We've got some hugs, love, There also should be a bee mine, or well, a bee. Then we've got thanks. Ah, here's the bee. And we've got a party, and yeah, I think this is so beautiful. I really love how this is shaped. Then we've got some flowers, and I went a little bit crazy with it. And it's made with crepe paper, it's just how you called it, I'm not sure. Then I've used a lot of embossing powder and glitter, and yeah, I really had so much fun making them. And they could be, yeah, more prettier, but I thought it was fine. I don't know why there was a glitch. Then I've got these from last year, and oh my gosh. We've got this friend one, we've got this Cupid, and this one was a little bit mistake die cutting, but we don't mind because we can cover it up. We've got the kisses, we've got the hugs, the love, and the be mine. And those sentiments are from, I will link it down, but they are from my tag. And those are also from different dies, but I will all link it down if it's still available. And then we've got some gnome add-ons products, especially for Valentine, like those balloons. And I've got some balloons over here. Look, so pretty. Oh, I really like it. I've got this one as well. So yeah, there is already, we've got some tags. Oh, love it. So there's already some crafting bean, and yeah, I hope that it will inspire you, and let me know if you're a Valentine crafter or what you will be making, and see you the next time. Bye bye.